this little Pygame here to start building our programs and document what we are doing. This little program here lets you read some script that I got in here. This is Pygame, and the snippets are into this folder here. When you run this and you find everything, so Pygame Book 1.0. The video game window is built by this one, where we import Pygame and we got this class game with the constructor here, the dev underneath, and then we have dev close window that is called, so it can close the window, and it just has a loop with nothing in it but the fact that you can close the window. So with this little script here, we're gonna build up our game, and so this is the main file here, and if I double click the window, here is our window, and so this is how it works. This one calls this one, and it makes our window.